Assalamu alaikum class. Today we'll discuss the exercise of lesson number 3, media and its impact. And this is the first exercise, comprehension. Summarize the major points of the unit in the given mind map. Class, this is a mind map. I've already told you the whole lesson and, and already described you the whole lesson which was in the previous video. So this is the video for your exercises. Let's discuss the summary. You can say just major points of the role of the media and its impact. First of all, the one point is that media shares knowledge and information, and the other one is media is a source of information. You can also write it by yourself as well. I'm only discussing with you, okay? This is a kind of a mind map, but now, like 8th class, you don't have a mind map in your paper, okay? We are only discussing the whole lesson. So, media shares knowledge and information. Media is a source of entertainment. Then you can say media plays a very constructive role. It raises awareness to the people, or it also sometimes it also spread false news. And the other one is, you can say that it has two mode of communication, or it has become a voice of downtrodden or needy people. And the other point is that other point you can say that media, um, um, one point which I am missing, media has become a voice of needy people. And the other point is which I have missed, and it's the, sorry, I've forgotten that point. Yes, it has become a global village. Yes, the other point is that it has become a global village. Okay, class, these are the points. In from these points, you can write whatever the point which you people want. Okay, now come to other page, page number 26. Vocabulary class, vocabulary. I've already write them in a form of print. So I wanted to show you, but later. Then come to exercise B. B, put these words in relevant columns to identify the parts of speech. Class, this is the quiz number 1. This is the worksheet which you people have to do on your copies. Okay, you people have to do this on your copies, and it will be quiz number 1. Okay, and what you people have to do, you only categorize them, like you only have to find out the nouns, then then write nouns. You have to find out the nouns from here and write them here. You have to find out the adjectives from here and write them here. You have to find out the adverbs from here and write them here. Okay, class? And I'm hoping that you people must have known about noun, adjective and adverb. Okay, now come to next exercise. Exercise A, change the following words into noun, filling the blanks with noun. Let me show you these both exercises. Exercise vocabulary exercise A, and change the following words, grammar exercise A. Wait. Yes, class, this is the exercise, uh, words noun, exercise A of grammar. Like, you have to change the words into nouns. Save, safety; excited, excitement; devastating, devastation; active, activity; helpless, helplessness; hopeless, hopelessness; able, ability; justify, justification. And uh, and now discuss it with this exercise. Like, come back to the exercise. Doctors are concerned with safety of the patient. Okay, class, like that. In a state of excitement, she cried loudly. Floods often cause large scale of devastation. Then positive, dash will keep you healthy. Class, like that, you people have to do all this exercise or all these blanks. Okay, now come to another. Let me show you. These are the exercises of page number 26, exercise A of vocabulary. Okay, explain the following phrases used in the text. Geared up, it means that the students are ready to take the tutorial class. Okay, students are ready to take something or the tutorial class. Then global village. Global village, it means that the whole world has been connected like a single community or village through media. I've already explained this thing in the lesson as well, that global village means that the whole world has been connected like a single community, like a single or a village. Okay, and then the other one are click away. Click away, a click away, it means that the whole world is at a distance of a single touch of a finger. We can contact anyone anywhere in the world with a single press of a button, just like a click away. They are very near to you. And constructive role is the positive and useful role. Then raise awareness. Raise awareness, it means to increase awareness among the people and increase their knowledge about the world and their surroundings. Like raise voice for someone. Okay. The other one is to keep an eye. To keep an eye, it means to observe and watch things carefully. Things should not go unnoticed. Then, a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Media has become the voice and a source of expression for the poor people, helpless and hopeless people. It speaks for them. Okay, then it means a mouthpiece means voice. Voice of the downtrodden means poor people, destitute people, needy people. Okay, helpless people, hopeless people. So media has become the voice of all those people. Okay, class. So this was the exercise A of vocabulary, page number 26. Now come back to the exercise. Okay, these three exercises you people have already done. Class, this exercise, this one is also your assignment. Assignment number 6. Okay, this one will be assignment number 6. Okay, you people have to do this. You people have to do this assignment number 6 on copies. Okay, then quiz number 1 on copies. Okay, no, sorry, quiz number 1 you have to do on your book. Okay, quiz number 1 will be here on your book and you will show me the picture of it. Okay, and the other one you don't have to, you have to do on your book. And this one is nothing, like you have to do only you have to fill your book and you have to show the picture. Okay, class, now come to the next exercise. This one is the exercise B. Identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronouns. Class, pronouns and their kinds I have already discussed and I will paste the link below. Okay, you can see the link and just check out what is pronoun and its kinds. Okay, so this is your quiz number 2 and this one will also be done on book. Okay, class. So this now come here. This one is the quiz. So I will not discuss this with you. You only have to figure it out that either this sentence is possessive, personal, reflexive or indefinite. Okay. Now come to another exercise. These are also about pronouns. Pronouns. Identify pronouns, errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. Media plays a very constructive role for the society. They instead of they instead of they you will write it. Okay, it raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction and violation. Wait, class, 1 minute. Then my would, it will be changed into I would conclude the discussion by saying that media plays a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. Okay, then good, very well concluded. I am happy that all of you, sorry, all of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed yourselves very well. Here it will be you, all of you. Okay, then come to D exercise. Complete the sentences using the right options. Media plays a very constructive role. Then media has also become a mouthpiece. Then other one is I am happy that all of you have. Then their feelings and opinions are expressed. Film, radio, television, newspaper provide us information. Okay, this one is the filling the blanks. Then come to the voices, and I will show you these voices. Yes, these are the voices, class. Passive voice, page number 28, exercise E. People are helped by media to share knowledge. First one is media helps people to share knowledge, so people are helped by media to share knowledge. Next one is in a passive form. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. So it will be changed like that. It expresses their feelings and opinions. It is in a form of active. Okay. Number 2 is in a form of active. Other one are in a form of passive. The third one is media attracts the attention of a very large audience. The attention of a very large audience is attracted by media. The fourth one is after entering the house, we switch on the television. The television is switched on by us after entering the house. Then the fifth one is it not only inform us about but also entertain us. We are not only informed but also entertained by it. Class, you people have already done passive voices and you must have known about all the rules of passive voices, and these are all the passive voices only in present indefinite tense. Okay, now come back to the book. Other exercises, class, this one is your test number, this one will be test number 6. Test number 6, this one will be test number 6. And class, you people have to change this paragraph into past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, I will tell you about past indefinite tense in the last. First of all, look at the punctuation. There are T will be capital, then after communication you will write comma, then after media you will write full stop, and the other one the will be in a T will be capital. Then after film you will write comma, then after radio you will write comma, then television you will write comma, internet then you will write comma, books then you will write comma, after that newspapers you will write full stop, I of it will be capital, then after the sentence you will write full stop. Okay, this is the punctuation practice which you people have to do on your book. Now come to the another exercise, that is page number 29. Exercise A, write paragraph on uses and abuses of internet mobile phones. Uses and abuses of internet and mobile phones. Let me show you these paragraphs. Yes class, this one is the uses and abuses of internet. I'm scrolling down it so you can write it. I'm scrolling down it so you can write it properly. Okay, or you can have an image of this one as well. Class, this one is also you have to write it on your copies. other part of it. Okay, then comes to mobile phones. The other topic is mobile phones. Mobile phone is one of the wonderful wonders of science. All classes of people use mobile phone. Through mobile phone we can send news to distant places, play games and sports, know about time and solve the work of calculation. However, with the touch of science and technology, whole world seems to be a global village. With all its advantages, the mobile phone has still some drawbacks on disguise. Through the price of it is decreasing through the price of it is decreasing, per minute bill is not decreasing, sorry, so everybody cannot possess it. Scientists have recently discovered that mobile phone can cause cancer to the users. Besides, it has become a fashion with the young people. Last but not the least, terrorists are using it to spread out terrorism all around the world. But in spite of all these advantages, it can be finalized here that the necessity of a mobile phone in exchanging messages cannot be denied in the true sense of the term in our practical life. Okay, class. Okay, class. Past tense, because my video is very much long, so I want to quit here, and I will make another video for the past tense and the quiz assignment, test assignment. Okay, and I'll show you all those things over there as well. Okay, class, that's all. Take care of yourself.